because there's a lot of information circulating in social media that if you're a dual citizen and you carry the passport of your country of birth, coming in, you'll be denied entry. I took the time to find out from the State Department if that was true, but I would like to hear from you on what that is, what that means to people like us that have dual citizenship and travel on both passports.
The first thing is this: the law, which I'm going to read to you, because I send this to a lot of people, basically says this: U.S. nationals, including U.S. dual nationals, must use a U.S. passport to enter and leave the United States. U.S. dual nationals may also be required by the country of their foreign nationality to use that country's passport to enter and leave that country. Use of the foreign passport to travel to or from a country other than the United States is not inconsistent with United States law. And I'm going to forward this to you when I finish to WhatsApp. So this is how it works, and this is how it has always worked. When you're living in the United States, you go with the American passport and the passport of the country, your destination, right? America, the airline has to check to make sure that you are allowed to get into that country. Otherwise, they get fined, right? So they're going to make sure that you have a passport or visa that allows you to enter the country, say Nigeria, right? Your US passport is what you use to, you're using that to leave the country. When you get to Nigeria, you show the customs your Nigerian passport or your visa. They let you in. When you're coming back from Nigeria, Nigeria wants to also see that you have a valid Nigerian passport or visa, and they let you out. But you must also have a valid American passport, because that's what you're going to show CBP, Custom Border Patrol, and that's how they're going to let you in. Nobody is going to take your American passport from you at the airport, because to take somebody's passport is to denaturalize them. That can only be done in federal court. That is a very rarely done process. Denaturalization costs the state, the country, a lot of money. It's not done at the airport. The only way they can take your passport at the airport if it's counterfeit, right? And at that point, you have bigger problems than trying to enter America. So I saw a video today about some guy also saying the same thing. He was at the passport. I'm like, where are you from? Tell us where you're from. He doesn't give any information. There's a lot of fear mongering, and I think people are getting they're taking advantage of the fact that everybody is just confused about all the differences, all the things that's going on. But I can tell you that the consensus between me and my other attorneys in all the attorney group is that this is just fear mongering.